Who wins, a hard worker or a gifted one? Most people say the gifted one. They are wrong. Today we show the real truth. This will surprise you. Stay till the end. Watch this, it may change your life. We all know one very gifted person. Good at school, good at sports, good at all. But where is that person today? Still waiting, still hoping, nothing big happened. And the average one from your class, that person is now doing very well. How did this happen? Let us find out. Watch till the end. We will tell you all. Tell me, do you think you are gifted? Yes, I was good at many things before. But did that gift help you later in life? No, I stopped working hard and lost it all. That is the big problem with gifts. A gift alone is not enough to win. You need one more thing with your gift. What is that one thing? Daily hard work, showing up every single day, even when you do not feel like it. That is what we call daily hard work. Here is a fact that will shock you. A study says gifts are only 30%. Wow, only 30%? That is very low. Yes, just 30% of your success. So, what is the other 70% then? Hard work. Every day, do not stop. So, gifts are only small part? Yes, what do you do daily is the big part. But gifted people learn things faster, right? Yes, a fast start is good, but a fast start does not mean you win. What do you mean by that, buddy? Gifted people get bored very fast. Things come easy to them, you see? So they never learn to work hard. And when things get hard, they just stop. I saw this happen with my own eyes. Hard workers keep going when get tough. Myth. All big people are just born lucky. We all think they were born very special, but that is not the real truth. Most big people just work every single day. They work when others are fast asleep. They work when others are taking rest. Michael Jordan was cut from his school team once. Really? The best player ever was cut out? Yes, and then he worked harder than all. That hard work made him the best ever. So hard work plus failure makes success. Does this happen in school and studies too? Yes, 100% yes. A hard working student beats a lazy one. Always, every single time without fail. Give me one example, please, buddy. A student who reads 1 hour each daily, that student does better than the all night one. Now, here is the most big surprise today. Gifted people suffer more in life. Yes, really. Wait, that sounds very strange to me. Gifts make early life too easy for them, so they never learn to fight hard things. When real hard things come, they are lost. Hard workers faced tough things early in life, so they know how to fight back well. Early pain keeps you safe and strong later. So early hard times are good for us. Yes, the pain now saves bigger pain later. That is the best thing I heard today. How do we build this daily work habit? Start very small. Just pick one habit. Do it every day. Do not break it. Like what? Give me something very simple. Wake up at the same time each day. Just that? That sounds too easy, buddy. Simple things done daily give big results. I got up at 6 a.m. each day. My whole life started to change slowly. Really? Just from waking up early each day? Yes, one good habit creates more good habits. Tell me, what is harder to do? One big try just one time, or small efforts every single day of life? To be real, daily small efforts is harder. Right. Is that why gifted people never built it? They want big results from one big push. But life does not work that way. You go up step by step, not one jump. So, friends, what did we learn today? 1. Stop waiting to feel ready to start. Just start even if you do not want to. Hard work means going even when you feel bad. 2. Pick one small daily habit and keep it. Even 5 minutes each day give big results. 3. When you fail, start again next day. Do not quit, just start again and keep going. 4. Do not compare yourself to others at all. Look at who you were just one day back. 5. Gifts show where you start in life. Hard work shows how far you can go. Your start does not decide your end. Know this. The world has many gifted people who failed. They had gifts but never showed up daily. You do not need to be the most gifted. You just need to show up every day. That is enough. That is more than enough. Are you gifted or a hard worker? Tell us. Write your answers in English right below now. We read every comment. See you next time.